Trieste turned red today as large crowds gather to demonstrate and march downtown, calling for an end on violence against women.
Violence against women is a cultural problem. We must act at different levels, institutional levels, but also protesting and rising up our voice against patriarchies. So that's the reason why we are all here to say end patriarchism and save women, save lives.
What brings you here today? Why is it important to be here and show your contribution to this movement?
So I'm here as a high school student. I'm here because I find it important to have programs, continuous programs of sex education and consent education inside all high schools.
Hey, why is it important to participate to protests like this one?
Well, every year, if I am free, I participate in all these kind of events because I think it's mandatory for us to be here today, for us women, but not only for women, for men and boys as well.
I'm here because I'm sick and tired of women getting killed, getting raped, getting hit by their partners.
Why are you here? Why is it important to be at this event?
Well, I'm here today because I think it's very important to show support for the movement, to show unity.
To be here for you today.
I think that it's important to show support for these causes. I think that it's important to be here and to make our voices heard. And I think that especially it is important, especially these days, to show that there is popular support for these themes and that these themes concern people.